So, in the top left, NinaZerg still is purple. In the top right, NoisE now is red. So, okay, there we go. Yeah, the next turn. So how does NoisE not get killed by that? Like, he could go for an attack. The pre-lurker attack would be at a similar time the pre-mutalisk attack should have been in a normal game. So if NoisE hadn't delayed his first attack quite as much as he did, he wouldn't have lost all of his units to hold lurkers. That'd be a good start. Not losing all your units to hold lurkers. But after that, I don't know. That build just seemed really strong. Like really fucking unfair. Like, I'm starting to question why a lot more people don't do that. Because it seems really good. Like, I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna refer to this game whenever making my mutalisks are overrated argument. Like, boom, that's why mutalisks are fucking overrated. Because cracklings and defilers are too damn good. And if you're building mutalisks, you're not getting defilers. Honestly, the defilers did almost nothing. Like, as good as the build was, that's where NinaZerg messed up in that game, was her defiler control leaves something to be desired. And that's fine. That's fine. Clearly, she didn't need the defilers. She just needed lots of cracklings. But if I can see a good player doing that build, and once incorporating in defilers in a really powerful way, oh man. Mutalisks are so overrated. Alright. So, looks like NinaZerg going for the 12 pool once again. And NoisE is going to bunker rush the 12 pool. Two of these Marines were pretty substantially injured, or at least one of them. I thought it was two. Before coming in, NinaZerg going to pull drones. Ooh, getting a pretty good drop on the SCVs, but it's already costed her 2 drones. And the bunker is done. Uh-oh. 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 So this is bad. Yeah. All right then. Tying up 1-to-1. I guess that's one way to stop fast lurkers and do ridiculously fast hive. Just fucking bunker rush them. NoisE knows what's up.